Tomatoes are one of the most beloved garden crops thanks to their rich taste and colorful appearance. With just a bit of natural care, they can produce juicy fruits all season long. A homemade fertilizer like this can make a big difference. Start by placing 1 tablespoon of rolled oats. Pour the ground oats into half a liter of warm water. Oats are rich in phosphorus, which helps strengthen the root system and supports flowering and fruit formation in tomatoes. Now add 1 teaspoon of wood ash. Wood ash is full of potassium and calcium, which are vital for plant immunity and healthy tomato development. It also helps balance soil pH in a gentle way. For protection, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic is a natural repellent that keeps harmful insects away and helps prevent fungal diseases like mildew and blight. Let this mix everything well. Sit for a few hours and strain, and dilute with 2 more liters of water. Water each tomato plant with 300 milliliters every 15 days. Share this tip with your friends so they can grow healthy tomatoes too. Thank you, and see you in the next video.